Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Lolita looks in DTI. So get ready to enter a world of lace, bows, and elegance, because in this DTI tutorial, we are showing off the cutest Lolita-inspired outfits that will make you look like you right out of a fairy tale. So if you want to recreate this look, let me show you the steps. So in here, first I'm going to do the hair. Let's click on the curly category in here and use this hair. And in here, I'm going to make the color blonde and combine it with this other curly hair with the same color. Now add this updo hair, this one, with the same color. And click on the bangs and use these two bangs. The first one is this one, and then another one. This is the other one. And once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first, I'm going to go to the male section and put on this hat. Okay, so for the hat, I'm going to wear this patterns in here. For this second preview, I'm going to make it white. Third one, the pattern again. Okay, so this is for the hair, and let's start creating the dress. So I'm going to use this dress set from the code items. This one for the top, and then I'm going to wear for the first hue white, and the second one make it the flowery pattern like the hat, and also the third one in here. And as for the accent, just make it white, including the bow. Okay, combine it with this skirt in here. And here I'm going to remove the layers and make the patterns the same like the top. And for the last one, I'm going to make it white. And here I'm going to also use the eyelashes and also the necklace. Make it white. Okay, let's complete the look in here. I'm going to grab the gloves and also the shoe. This is the gloves, and I'm going to remove the fur. Let's add the socks and put it into high strip socks, but make the color white. And turn off the feet. And here, let's grab the Mary Jane shoes, this one, and make the color pink. And add the socks and make the socks color white. Here I'm going to grab some accessory, and for the skirt I'm going to combine with this skirt, make the color with the patterns, and I'm going to grab this bow behind and make the color soft pink like this. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger, and here I'm going to grab the box in here. For the first color, I'm going to make it white, and the second one, choose the patterns. The third one, make it soft pink. Last items that I'm going to add is this one that I'm going to put on the hat, and I'm going to make the color soft pink. And bow, make it the patterns. And with that, the Lolita look is done. So, whether you are a soft girl at heart or a gothic queen in disguise, this guide will help you serve full Lolita couture on the DTI runway. So don't forget to like, subscribe for more DTI fashion info, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!